everyone, and welcome back to Mrs. English Studio. I'm your host, Jessica, and today we have a very calming and inspiring topic. We're talking about practicing English while spending time in nature. And of course, Sam is here with me. Hi, Sam.
Hi, Jessica. Hi, everyone listening. I love today's topic because nature is one of the best places to relax, think clearly, and practice speaking English.
Yes, so sit back, relax, or take a walk while listening. This will be a friendly, simple conversation, perfect for beginners and intermediate learners. So, Sam, why do you think nature is a good place to practice speaking English?
Well, nature is quiet. When you walk in a park or sit by a river, your mind becomes calm. When your mind is calm, it's easier to practice speaking without stress.
That's so true. Many English learners feel shy when speaking, but when you're alone in nature, you don't feel embarrassed.
Exactly. You can talk to yourself, repeat phrases, describe what you see, and nobody is listening. No pressure.
And nature has so many things to describe: trees, flowers, birds, wind, sunlight. It's perfect for building vocabulary.
Also, walking helps your brain work better. When your body moves, your brain becomes more active. It helps you remember new English words.
Yes, I love that. Nature plus English equals perfect combination. Let's give our listeners some simple sentences they can use when they're outside.
Great idea. Listeners, you can repeat after us. Sentence 1. The weather is beautiful today.
Sentence 2. I love walking in nature.
Sentence 3. The air feels fresh and clean.
Sentence 4. I can hear the birds singing.
Sentence 5. I feel relaxed when I'm outside.
These are simple, but they help you practice speaking naturally. Sam, what are some activities people can do in nature while practicing English?
There are many. You can go for a walk and describe everything you see. For example, I see green trees or the sky is very blue.
You can also go hiking. On a hike, you can practice sentences like I'm walking uphill or the view is amazing.
Another activity is having a picnic. You can practice small, simple conversations like, "Can you pass the water?" Or, "This food tastes great."
And one of my favorites, sitting near water, a lake, river, or even a fountain. Listening to water is relaxing, and you can practice speaking freely.
Yes, and some people like to take pictures of nature and describe them in English.
Let's teach some easy words to describe nature. Listeners, you can repeat after us. Comma.
Word 1. Sunny.
Word 2. Windy.
Word 3. Peaceful.
Word 4. Green.
Word 5. Beautiful.
Great. Now let's make short sentences.
The forest is peaceful.
The park looks beautiful today.
I love the green trees.
Another important point is that nature helps reduce stress.
Yes, when you're stressed, it's hard to speak confidently, especially in a new language.
But when you're in nature, walking, breathing fresh air, your mind becomes more open. You can think clearly. You feel more confident.
Some people even meditate outside. It makes the brain relaxed and ready to learn.
Exactly. And when you feel relaxed, speaking English becomes easier. Now let's do a short speaking practice. Listeners, repeat after us slowly.
I can speak English confidently.
I learn better when I am calm.
Nature helps me relax.
I enjoy practicing English outside.
Great job.
Sam, do you have a favorite place in nature where you like to practice speaking?
Yes, I love walking in a forest near my house. When I walk alone, I sometimes talk out loud in English. I describe the trees, the sky, the smell of the air. It helps a lot.
That sounds wonderful. For me, I love sitting by the lake. The water makes me feel peaceful. I sometimes bring a notebook and write new English sentences.
That's a great idea. Nature makes learning feel easy and natural.
Well, that brings us to the end of today's episode. We hope this conversation helps you practice English in a simple, fun, and natural way. Yes.
Remember, you don't need a classroom. You can practice English anywhere, especially outdoors.
Take a walk, breathe the fresh air, and speak English with confidence.
Thank you for listening to Mrs. English Studio. We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.